x square minus y square is equal to 65. We have to find the value of x and y. Now x square and y square, it is in the form of differences of squares. So we can write it as x plus y times x minus y is equal to 65. Now when we break down 65, 5 times 13 is 65. Now 5 is also a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. So only two factors for 65 are 5 and 13. So factors for 65 here, other than 1, 65 are 5 and 13. 1 times 65 is 65. 65 times 1 is 65. 5 times 13 is 65 and 13 times 5 is 65. So these are 4 probable factors to write here. Now if we take 1 times 65, x plus y cannot be less than x minus y. That means x plus y should be greater than x minus y because we have a positive result here. That means x plus y cannot be 1. So it must be x plus y must be 65. If we take x plus y is equal to 65, then x minus y should be 1. So x minus y is equal to 1 we have to take. Here we can write 65 in two factors. If we write x plus y times x minus y and 65 as 65 times 1, then we take either x plus y is equal to 65 and x minus y is equal to 1. These are the two possible solutions. Now let's add x plus y and x minus y. So it is 65 plus 1 or 2x is equal to 66 or x is equal to 66 upon 2. 2 times 33 is 66. So x is equal to 33 and x minus y is 1. So y is equal to 33 minus 1. X minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 32. So x is 33 and y is 32. This is the first solution. Let's check whether this satisfies the equation. X square minus y square is equal to 65. So 33 square minus 32 square. So 33 plus 32 times 33 minus 32. This should be equal to 65. 3 times, so it is 65 times 1 is equal to 65. LHS is equal to RHS. So first solution for x is 33 and y is 32. Now let's take when x plus y times x minus y, we take 13 times 5. Now x plus y can only be 13, it cannot be 5. So x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. Add these two equations, plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18 or x is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 times 9 is 18. So x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. Now let's check 9 and 4 for the solution. X square minus y square is equal to 65. X square is 9 square, y square is 4 square. 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16. 81 minus 16 is equal to 65. So two other solutions are x is 9 and y is 4. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.